Hello traders, good evening. Today was an excellent trading session with the market moving as per our expectations. As I shared in yesterday's analysis video, I was short on this market once it hit the higher time frame sellers area, both in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. And moreover, I was carrying short calls in Bank Nifty, so the gap down opening gave a very good return right in the morning. And then it was time to enter aggressively into Nifty future shorts because one, we opened right below previous day's buyers area after taking rejection from the larger time frame big seller zone. And order flow showed confirmation of the same that strong shorts had once again entered the system and will start driving prices down. There's a good probability of it. You can see in where my arrow is pointed, and the extent of this selling told me that there was a good chance we can test the initial objective which was shared yesterday, which is Monday's low essentially. Sorry, yesterday's low, Tuesday's low essentially, which could be reached easily, and which is what happened before we saw a pullback. All in all, I'm carrying shorts for tomorrow as well, as these are directional trades and they offer very high probability. And in fact, I even got a lot of messages from people thanking me that after my updates yesterday in the afternoon, in the evening, not a lot of them carried longs into the closing, which is always a good thing. And even a couple of them started selling aggressively right into the open today, which feels good to hear that the whole purpose of me sharing my analysis at EOD and also in live market sharing my trades where are large institutions placed on the buy side, on the sell side, what kind of price behavior can we see, what who is in control at a point of time, whether it's large buyers or sellers. Sharing all of this, finally, the whole purpose of sharing it is to make sure that the traders who follow me, the traders who are associated with me get benefited, and it always feels good to know that it is happening. Now, moving on to tomorrow, I'm already carrying shorts since it's expiry tomorrow. I'm carrying call short options in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Today, I see that the maximum selling happened between 15,390 and 15,433. So let me move that. 15,390 and 15,433. So if we open below this zone and break previous day low, then there is a very good chance that in the coming sessions we will be reaching our short-term reference objective, which stays the same of 14,800 and 820 essentially. But if we open above this, then there is a good chance we'll again enter into a chop zone. So this is a crucial reference that I'll be monitoring. And as of now, sellers are in total control in the system, and any up move, any gap up opening or up move is a good opportunity to sell on rise, unless I see that the longs built by large players at lows is more than the selling that happened in this zone, which I would know as per comparative volume analytics. I will not be going long, and when that happens, I will let you know as well in live market, so that will be a good opportunity for us to go long. Between 14,800 and uh, today's low lies also are swing low, but this is a weak swing reference. As I said earlier, I do not expect this to hold once if we break previous day's low and continue to move downwards again on a positional basis. But yeah, let's see what kind of an opening we get. As of now, sellers are in total control, and I am expecting a flat to negative open tomorrow. Not much chance of a gap up opening. Moving on to Bank Nifty, even in case of Bank Nifty, it was pretty much the same as yesterday. We saw a good amount of profit booking in Bank Nifty than compared to Nifty as well. And large buyers, the maximum buying yesterday happened between 33,150 and 33,260. The largest of the buyers were positioned in this zone. When we opened with a gap down, they started running for cover, and we hit our initial objectives of the lows, which is 32,853. Moving on to tomorrow, in case of Bank Nifty, I see that the most important reference level is 32,860 to 32,910. Let's mark that. I have a couple of other charts to the side, which with volume analytics levels calculations. So Those are the levels I'm looking at, and then I'm moving them here. 32,860 to 32,910. As long as we are below this level, then there is a good chance we can hit the short-term objective of 32,370 to 32,400. In fact, we already tested this level before, and we are reference area, and we are moving up from there. So it would again be backwards there. What you need to understand at this point of time is that larger time frame buyers and sellers reference at this point is not nearby. For example, 33,190 to 33,670 was a higher time frame institutional sellers area where we saw massive dump in case of Bank Nifty, and in case of Nifty it was 15,660 to 15,840, and you could see how exactly the reaction of sellers was at that zone, how they defended their position. To the downside, when I look at the old buyers area in case of Nifty, it's at 14,800, but since there is quite some ground to cover between here and 14,800, we will be trading based on intraday references and purely on our basis. I would be sharing my targets based on volume analytics, order flow in live markets on Telegram, trades, stop loss, and targets. So if you're not a part of it, you can join the channel. The link is given in the description below. I hope you like the contents of the videos I'm sharing every day and find them informative. If yes, please leave a comment and like so that it will keep us motivated. See you all tomorrow, bright and sharp.